I'm back. And we're making puppy chow today. Yes, we are. Alright, so we got Chex Mix, chocolate chips, confectionate powdered sugar, and then she peanut butter. So the very first thing we're gonna do is melt the peanut butter and the chocolate. It's gonna start melting about half of this bag of chocolate chips. Semi-sweet, something good to eat, okay? We're gonna stir that for about 30 seconds. See how it's getting all melted. Alright. So being that we're using Tutties, which is our all natural peanut butter, the natural peanut oils is gonna be our fat. But usually in a puppy chow recipe, they put some butter or something in there, 2/3 of a cup of peanut butter. Because I eat peanut butter like how people take shots. Big girl hack. Let that hot chocolate, no pun intended, incorporate. Yep, just like that. That white powder. This is also a great vegan snack when you do it mild. More Chex. I'm gonna start putting the chocolate covered, peanut butter infused Chex in the powder sugar. Look how that white powder just covered up that chocolate. The chocolate covered Chex. Now you can't tell me that don't look like little puppy niblets. Up a Ziploc. Put this puppy chow in this bag. Okay. Shake it. Take it off. Take it off. Take it off. Just like that. Just like that. Let's go back to my childhood, shall we?